Sweden is part of the pole sack, right?
Rhoda!
The eyeball is the most delicious part.
Very relaxing. Hi, Chad. How are you? I have a friend here.
Konnichiwa, minasan. Mr. Yabatan desu.
If I sound a little off, it's because I'm wearing my Invisalign retainer, so I don't want to hear no comments about how I sound or if I sound a little wacky.
Should I speak English or Japanese?
You can do whatever you want. It's a trilingual chat here.
Trilingual chat?
Yeah, I speak Chinese in here sometimes too.
Really? やばいね.
Chad, do you speak Japanese?
Okay, so mostly... Okay. Hablo no español. Una cerveza grande, por favor.
Oh my god. Wait, how many languages can you speak?
No, I only know that.
What's on the menu?
So, because I am from Norway, what's famous in Norway?
Vikings.
Vikings. We're not making Vikings. Kjøttkake. Oh, wow, Norwegians in the chat.
What's a
Salmon.
kjøttkake?
What? But I see salmon in the chat, and that's correct. We're making salmon. And also, Norway is very famous for pastries. So we're gonna make cinnamon roll
but with chocolate.
But with chocolate. We're gonna use Kit Kat.
Oh, I saw Kit Kats, but I chose not to buy it because I found one that has cute animals on it. It's Momo, the flying squirrel.
Is that why you bought it?
Yeah.
It should be fine, as long as it's chocolate.
How would you describe like Norwegian cooking or food?
Fish and with potatoes. We always use potatoes. And like carrots and like very boring food. We also eat like sheep head.
The head?
That's a traditional.
Do you have like the eyeballs and stuff in there?
Yes, so the eyeball is the most delicious part, apparently.
Oh, you never had it?
I avoid it at all costs.
So why didn't we try to make that today? I could have went to a butcher and got a sheep head and I get myself, you know, TOS to shit, but you know what, content, hey,
Yeah,
you know?
no Vikings and no sheep head.
Do you think I would make a good Viking? Buzz Rhoda!
You need a bit more.
Buzz Rhoda! Yeah, I was gonna ask if you watch Vinland Saga, because I was like, they definitely eat carrots and potatoes in that anime.
Yeah, they do?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god. They got
Among
everything.
other things. I mean, I would eat some other things in that anime too, but you know, we don't.
There are many ways to make salmon, actually.
Yeah.
But today, we're boiling it. But it's not really gonna boil. It's just gonna be in... Like,
Poached.
Yeah, poached.
And we're making the dessert and also a few side dishes. I will not traverse this line here, okay? Or else I will explode and die. So today, I'm just gonna sit here. I'm gonna watch some salmon boil, and that's pretty much my job for today. Oh, YouTube intro. That's right, YouTube intro.
Konnichiwa, minasan. Mr. Yabatan desu.
I actually made the dough yesterday beforehand.
Did we do the YouTube intro?
Oh, it ends organically. My editor will be like, that's enough. And then he'll just cut it.
Okay.
And then he'll be like, okay, moving on.
ありがとうございました.
I recommend that we put some flour on the table. You can use your finger and then you
How
can
deep?
pull it. And then you can go all the way in until you reach the bottom and then pull out. Always pull out. He left a very good hole in there.
やばい! これめっちゃ楽しいじゃん.
Very relaxing.
Hello, Mr. Yabatan. Just so you know, at least back in Canada this woman used to go a week without showering.
Shut the up!
やばいですね.
No wonder all your guests only come here
Hello,
once.
Mr. Yabatan, make sure
Yo.
you flatten the dough as flat as the one standing beside you.
Alright, real funny, guys. Sorry, could you also put it in the sink and soak it? Just so that the dough can come off a little easier later.
Okay,
when you wash it. Exactly, just leave it there.
Soaking.
You're good. Unless, are you interested in the other definition of soaking?
Is there another
What we're gonna do is we have to spread the butter evenly
it's
all over. Yank out a whole slab of it. Yeah. And then just like smear it all over.
Look at all this butter.
Room temperature, unsalted. Just slap it like a baby's bottom. Yeah.
Okay.
Your job is to spread it as evenly as possible.
Spread it.
Nice car.
I told you he's a freaky little Viking. Do you spread things often?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
That's why this looks so beautiful.
Yeah, I can tell. It's very, very even. You look very relaxed while doing it.
これいらないけどね.
So now we're going to roll, but because this is the side that I kind of ripped, you ripped accidentally. You want to pull and tug as you're rolling. We want it tight because we don't want it to be falling apart and loose. We don't like loose things here. So you want to grab onto your log, and yank, pull, twist. So hold on to it like this, yank, tuck, twist.
So I'm doing like this.
Right.
Oh, so good.
Yeah.
That's
So it's a nice tight roll. Yeah, and then you just repeat.
Shit. How about this? Woo!
Yeah, and the beauty of it is, yeah, perfect. So we're gonna cut it, but we're not gonna cut it with a knife. We're gonna cut it with floss. You want to tie this around your log, basically like just asphyxiate it, just choke it out. Pretend that this is your log right here, right? This is so stupid. So the log is inside the hole, and then just pull on it. Nice clean cut. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, and then just
Then I choke it.
and then just choke it. Yep, just let it all go.
Ikimasu! Oh shit! I broke. But I got. It's beautiful.
It is. It's totally fine. Oh, I forgot to chop my almonds. Give it a nice little, just a few love taps.
Boom, boom, boom.
Exactly.
Boom, boom, boom.
Can you grab a fork and beat the egg?
Have you made this before?
No. I'm just going by memory from what I remember reading.
And it was all in Norwegian?
You didn't know that I speak Norwegian?
Oh no, I didn't know that. It's amazing.
I'm a professional. What can I say? I don't know why I just stroked my own cock. I definitely know where Norway is. You know how there's like 3 ball sacks hanging off of Europe? Kind of like just chilling. Norway is on the right. It just looks so sad.
That's Finland.
Norway, Iceland.
Why are you even mentioning Iceland? You haven't mentioned Denmark or Sweden.
I thought Sweden and Denmark were like inside the continent. So ball sacks and then
Sweden is part of the pole sack, right?
So we're gonna put this in the oven. Just leave it be. We're not gonna touch it for, let's say, 20 minutes. Chat, can you set a timer for 20 minutes, please? Does it look very Norwegian to you?
It does, actually.
Mr. Yabatan, listen carefully. In a collab with another streamer, she hinted at the fact that someone once sucked on her toes.
No. Nope. That's not true.
Oh, you have some brown cheese?
It's like what? Savory caramel-y cheese?
It's a caramel cheese, yeah.
But it's not like sweet. It's
No,
still somewhat
yeah.
savory. A little bit more. Okay. Yamete? Okay.
Yamete?
No, yamete. Oh, potatoes are boiling.
How long are they gonna boil for?
Until they're cooked, I'm guessing. Okay, my potatoes, chat. Oh, cream.
Oh my god, the
Cream is
cream!
done. I almost overcooked the cream and boiled it by accident.
We make the salmon, that's the last thing we do.
Okay.
This
it's melting.
also needs vinegar and water.
Right. So we're gonna squeeze these up. Squeeze.
Squeeze?
Hurry. Yes. Put it in your hands and squeeze them. No, just put it in your hands and give them a nice little squeeze. And yep, exactly. And then put them in a different bowl so we can mix it with the salad dressing. Oh no, don't use tap water to eat it. Use my filter water. We don't eat tap water, Yabatan, okay?
Butter on the potatoes, but that's later, right?
Oh, I put in all the butter. We don't got no more butter. Okay. Vinegar. Ichi splashu. Ni splashu. Ni splashu. Wait, san splashu.
Okay, oh my god.
San splashu. Okay.
Yabai. Oh my god, we add spices.
Okay, the peppercorn and the bay leaves. Ichi handful.
It says 11.
11 peppercorn.
It says 11.25 pieces.
ちょっと待ってね。1、2、3、4、5、
That's fine.
6. Chat, how long have the potatoes been going? Yes, there were potatoes. What do you mean? Is there any like nostalgic dishes for you?
My dad makes cod dish,
Oh, I love
which is
cod.
amazing. We should make that next time. It's like you boil the cod. It's boiling!
Should we put the seafood in?
It should not be boiling.
Oh, then I'll turn it off.
If it boils, we're screwed. This
No,
is the
it's
most exciting time of this stream. Is the water boiling?
No, sir. Okay.
And then we need, I would say, 6 minutes.
Okay.
From
Now.
now.
6 minutes now. Whoa, no way. He put some fish in the water. No way. Shit. I think the bread might be close. Do you want to take a peek just to see if it's like more choto brown?
すごい!
Yeah.
Wow! めっちゃうまそう!
Do you want to try one now?
We're gonna burn ourselves.
No. What are you, a pussy?
Fish
Oh,
is
God.
done! Oh my god, is it done?
my God.
Is
Wait,
it 6
can I-
minutes?
Let's go.
Oh, you're showing
Let me
the...
get the fish out.
Wait.
Come on. They said 4.
4? Someone said salmon is finished.
You
It
got
was not
You got
finished.
one guide. That's what Twitch chat calls one guide or stream. What is the name of this again?
That's a good question. Yeah. You can't. Whoa!
I was putting it in my mouth already.
Then you have to say it Yabatan way.
Itadakimasu.
Kanpai!
Oishii.
It's so good.
Oh, 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Wait. You're just gonna. Well, that's it.
Itadakimasu! Sorry. I'll just put one here. So in Norway, we don't have bones in the salmon, really. You can buy like boneless salmon, but in Japan, they don't have that.
Taste it.
It's good.
Okay. Now we have the perfect Yabatan spit that I'm going to sell for money. That I have collected here. Is it supposed to be this wet?
No. It's supposed to be thick.
Why?
But
Why is this so wet?
maybe we didn't let it boil enough.
We were supposed to boil it.
Yeah.
I thought it was just to heat
It was.
Chat was like, yo, you're not supposed to boil it. It's done, Giri. And I almost overcooked the cream and boiled it by accident. Odie bro, come here. Try your thing. Yeah. Give the fork back to us.
Okay.
Give the fork back to us. Oni bro, Yabatan is saying that you need pepper on your shizzles. Yes, you can. No, you can't. It's good.
Yeah. It's very pink, right?
Flaky.
That's a good thing.
And what about the potatoes and everything else?
Oh,
Yeah, I know. What did I say?
that's a good one.
That's a good boiled potato, right? Tell the folks at home.
It's too salty.
And we have our completed dish. We made Norwegian boiled salmon, boiled potatoes, cucumber salad. It turned out really, really well. So thank you, Yabatan, for teaching me how to make your home style dish.
Arigato! もちろん。いつでもいいよ。
Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, notification bell, all those wonderful things. Check out Mr. Yabatan. He streams not that often, but sometimes he does have a Twitch. So make sure you follow him on Twitch, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Threads, Facebook, everywhere. All his links in the description down below. Have you tried Norwegian food? Yes or no? If yes, what have you tried? Leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye!
ありがとう。